Oh. Oh. Okay. That's how you feel. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Another day in the life. Right now, I'm trying to hurry up and get out of Florida before the holiday, because today is what, like Tuesday, and I think I gotta load. I gotta head to Ohio. So I'm leaving my house now. I'm heading to the truck. I'm about to stop and get some snack first though. I need something to drink, some snack for the road. I don't have to stop. I'm gonna get what I like, because you don't be finding what you want at the truck stop, not all the time. So I'm gonna go get my snack. I need to put gas in this car too, and then head to the truck. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Okay.
These 2 copies right here.
All right, perfect. Thank you. That's good. Good. All right, I'm loaded. But got something else here. Thank you, Bob. So as you can see, I'm loaded right here, but I was hoping I was gonna be able to grab another partial, but with the way this is sitting, I don't know. We'll see. This is going to Ohio. So I'm just start heading north and see what we find on the way up there. All right, Joe. Yeah, I just drove about 4 hours. Got another 4 hours to go. I'm about to fuel the truck now. I'm gonna take you all on that quick journey. Oh, that's my damn truck. I'm over here working This is it. Over here not paying attention. So from what it looked like I'm gonna be stuck with this one load going to, what do we call it, Ohio. So I'm trying to hurry up and bring it up there and then find something else to come back down, because I'm coming back for Christmas and spending time at home for Christmas. Oh shit, I just forgot to do that. I got my little truck juice right there. Where is it? Yeah, fuel injector cleaner. Gotta have that in there. Keep my baby running. I don't put it all the time, but I just did an oil change, so I think it deserves one real quick. I have two tanks, so I do half and half. And now we're pumping gas. I'm hungry. It's not time for my 30 minutes break yet, but I'm still gonna go back in there and grab some food and take a quick 15-20 minute stop, then get back on the road. So got a couple minutes. Yo, trip planning is key with this thing. You gotta plan your trip so you can make it on time and maximize your time on the road so you can get as much as you can. The good thing is I haven't had a full week on the road, like Monday to Friday yet. Like I really haven't spent a whole full week on the road. Every time I ended up having to come back home because I have some stuff I have to handle here. First time it was a wedding. First time it was Thanksgiving. There was nothing going on, so I came back home. Second time I had a wedding to go to on that weekend. So I ended up spending like 3-4 days out. Oh, okay. Hold on. Look like it's full. And then now this is the third time I'm going back on the road. But I want to be back home for Christmas. To spend Christmas with my family. I'm going to pick up my son so I can spend Christmas with my family. Full all the way. I don't want to stop again for guys. Not until I'm coming back. 250 in there. I don't think any more than that. $250. Up. Let me go get my receipt. I need to check my lights, making sure everything is good. Yeah, they're both working. Feeling like people don't see when I put my blinkers to change lane. I have to check to make sure they're working because that should be weird. And you're driving and then I had my blinkers on for like 15-20 minutes. No, more like a whole minute before I change lane. And people be acting like they didn't see me with my blinkers. So I had to make sure my blinkers working. But I'm gonna go get some food real quick, get my whiskey, get some food, and we'll catch y'all in a minute. I'm just waking up in the truck. It's a little bit cold, but I'm about to get myself ready and then start driving. I'm driving all day today to make it to Ohio. I probably got like another 12 hours of driving to do to make it to my destination, so I probably won't have time to drop off until tomorrow, because as you guys know, you only get 11 hours in the day to drive, and I cannot skip a whole hour. So I'm probably gonna make it tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna get up. I had some food yesterday. I gotta take the trash out, go use the bathroom, get myself together. I'm not gonna have a chance to take a shower this morning. This is sad, but that's trucker's life. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower tonight when I stop. I'm about to go brush my teeth, find something to eat, take the trash out, and get on the road. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. Let me just show y'all. So, what are the odds of having 2 door magnets on your truck? You're supposed to have 2 door magnets magnetized on the truck, 2 of them. What are the odds of them fucking flying off? There is no way that those door magnets came off the truck. If it was one, I would have understand that, but both of them, both door magnets disappear at the same. Oh, okay. That's how you feel. Yo, this shit is crazy, bro. This shit is crazy. So I was parked next to another truck yesterday. He had an oversized load, so his load was oversized, so he took like 2 or 3 parking spots. And I don't know if y'all know, when you come to those truck stop around 1-2 o'clock in the morning, it's hard to find a parking spot. So I pretty much squeezed myself right next to him over there. And yeah, I pretty much squeezed myself right next to him. And I went to bed. This morning, I felt a little shake around the truck. I felt something shaking a little. I was wondering what the hell it was until now. I woke up and I did not see my door magnets on my truck. Now that I'm walking around, look at this shit. So petty ass trucker, he took my door magnets off my truck and he threw one over here and he threw one over there on the other side of the gate. You see that? Petty. Like, that's not gonna do anything to me. Even if you had thrown them out and I didn't find it, I would have bought another one. I would have just went in the truck stop and bought some letters and numbers and put it on the truck. Now that I still have my door magnets, all I have to do is walk and grab it. It ain't do nothing to me. Well, but at the end of the day, you're gonna find ignoring people all the time. I'm in Georgia, and I'm a black man in a very white neighborhood. In my truck, I don't have a semi-truck, I have a box truck. And I don't know if you guys know, some semi-truck don't like the box truck game. And the third thing is, my thing say BLK, we stand for black in some ways. I don't see it as that definition. BLK stands for be like a king, but most people, they see it as black. So I don't know if he felt some type of way about that, and the fact that I parked close to him, that's why he decided to throw my shit out. But that shit don't hurt me. That shit just gonna make me stronger, baby. It's gonna make me stronger. It's gonna get me to keep going. I'm gonna keep going. So guess what? I'm gonna grab my door magnet, put it right back on my truck, and the grind don't stop. The grind don't stop. I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna keep making that money. Matter of fact, I might make it where I make more money than you. When you ignore it like that, you attract bad karma towards you. So guess what? You're gonna get your bad karma. I ain't worrying about it. I'm gonna keep moving forward. And your karma will catch you. I'm about to go put this door magnet back on, y'all. And then go from there. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Don't let ignoring people get to you. Don't give them the satisfaction of what they're looking for. I'm pretty sure what he thought was gonna piss me off, make me mad, go all crazy and messed up my day. No, I ain't giving you that satisfaction. No, sir. No, sir. I wish I took a picture of how close I was so you guys can see. It was not that bad. He didn't have to wake me up for me to move my truck for him to get out. Like, he was still able to get out. But just because it's a semi-truck, petty as hell. So, sorry. Yeah, that's it. Let me go take care of that. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Got it. Fucker got me jumping over water and shit. It's all good though. Okay. Let's see the best place to jump. Right here. And here you go. Ah! God damn it. That's my boots. Again. I made it though. Rip this one off a little. I gotta buy a new one. I had to buy a new one anyway because I had to put the US on there. But not too much damage. Nothing that will stop me from trucking. Okay. I gotta clean off my boots. And then I'm out. Okay. All right. I lost the sock. No boots get wet. That's about it. After that, back on the road. Oh, it's back on the door. I really wish those people would be watching. I really wish you'll be watching. You end up watching my video, bro. If you're watching this video, I want to know, how did it make you feel? Did it make you feel good inside that you just took my door magnets and threw them over the fence? Did it made your day? Do you feel like you accomplished something? Those are my questions that I will ask. Like, how did that make you feel inside? Like, do you feel good? Like, do you feel like you accomplished something? You're like, yeah, I got his ass back. Is that how you feel? Is that how you feel? Because guess what? Guess what? The door magnet back on the truck again. It's already back on there. So I hope you feel good. Because I feel good. Because guess what? I got the man up above that's always looking out for me. So regardless of what people try to push me back, I'm still gonna move forward. So thank you. Thank you. You did not mess up my day today. I'm not gonna give you that right. I actually feel good. I actually feel good. You wanna know why I feel good? Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you why I feel good. Because at first I thought I was gonna have to buy a whole nother door magnet or have to go in there and buy some numbers and put on the door so I look unprofessional and everything. But your stupid ass didn't even throw it that far. Right there, right next to the truck. I just grab it and put it back. Matter of fact, it was a little crooked. Now I made it straight. Let me stop. But thank you though. I really hope you end up watching this video, bro. You'll recognize it. You will see the BLK that you think mean black, which actually mean be like a king. But I'll take the black too. I really do hope you watch it. But I'm back on the road and let's go. Another fill up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It is so cold. I'm not used to this cold. Give me some Waffle House. Yo, I'm so tired. I had to get a hotel for tonight. I wasn't gonna stay in the car when it's like, hold on. It's like 30 degrees outside. And later on tonight, it's supposed to hit probably around 22 degrees right here. I'm in Kentucky. I got a headache. I got more stuff to do. First thing, shower, eat, and then take care of those things and then get some rest. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about my experience today with this trucker vandalizing my truck. But we'll touch on that after. I can't do anything right now. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. you can bring it up and bring it out a little. You can sit on this, that's fine. Yeah? Perfect, it's up. Perfect.
Good?
Yep. Be careful, come on this side. Perfect. And then you're out. I might need your help for that one. That one won't move. Yeah. Yeah, I need your help. It won't move. I tried, it won't move. Perfect. Let's see if we both together can pull over that. That's cool. No, that's not cool. It's cool.
Yes, sir. Teamwork makes dream work.
You can go a little
I
bit
need
more.
to get over to the...
Now, if you come out straight, you'll be fine. Yeah, you might want to go in a little bit more so you can pick up the whole thing. Okay. All the way. Oh, you're pushing it now. Go down a little and then keep going in. Perfect. Right there. Mm-hmm. Yep, you got it. You got it. Straight back. Yeah, you good on my side. Yep, we good. You got paperwork for me, right?
What's that?
You got paperwork for me?
Paperwork for you? Am I supposed to have something?
Something for me showing that I delivered?
Hang on one second, I can't hear you.
All right, we're done with this delivery right here. What's going on, YouTube? I wanted to talk to you guys about pretty much what you just saw in that video there, the experience pretty much, and I wanted to conclude this video the right way. Well, as you guys can see, another trucker vandalized my truck. Yep, he did. So let me just wind it real quick, let y'all know what happened exactly. Because I was not able to actually take pictures of when I parked. I don't know why, I should have. But let me explain real quick. So it was late night, probably like 1 o'clock in the morning. And that's when my driving time ended. So I had to go to a truck stop to sleep. So when I got to the only truck stop that was close to me, it was pretty much full. And I don't know if you guys know about that, and if you do plan on starting your own business doing this, just know when you go to a specific truck stop and you don't find parking, you're gonna have to make up your own parking. So what I did, what I found, because there was really nowhere else to park, people was actually leaving to go park on the side of the highway, and with me having a box truck, it's really not safe to do that. So I saw this semi truck that had a oversized load, and with his oversized load, he was taking 3 parking spots. So he was parking one, and then half of each one of the side was taking a spot. Not enough for semi truck to park with a trailer, but enough space. Like, how would I explain this? Like, you know, those long parking spot, and then his front of his truck is fine. Like, I can park next to the front of his truck normally, but it's all the way at the end where the load is extending a little. You cannot go further. But with me having a box truck, it's shorter, so I don't have to go that far. So I pretty much just park. And the head of my truck was literally right next to his truck, and I was still not long enough to reach his oversized load. I know that that's pretty close, but if he was in that situation, I'm sure he would have came up with something to do that would be very similar. And what he decided to do, instead of being a real man and knock on my window and talk to me to tell me that this is not acceptable, like that's not how you do it, he chose to take my door magnets off my truck and throw them over the fence, as you guys can see in the previous, in the video, in the clip that was just passing by. So yeah, so with y'all out there, if you're gonna start this, just be careful. Be careful. People don't look out for you. People are not like you. Like me personally, if somebody had did that to me, if it was me in that situation, I would have came out. First of all, if I can get out, I probably wouldn't have said nothing. But if I had issue getting out, if it was a lot of ways for me to get out, I would have wake him up and be like, hey, I don't mean no disrespect, but check this out. The way you park, it wasn't good. So I'm the good guy. I'm telling you about it, so you can avoid that mistake for future. But that's not the route that he chose to take. And I will have taken the criticism perfectly too, no issues. I'm new to this. I'm willing to take information from people. I had people come to me and tell me stuff before, and I took the criticism perfectly. I was fine with it, and that's what he decided to do. So yeah, just be careful out there when you're on the road. People are not looking out for you. You got to look out for yourself, and you have to be careful. Just be careful. Not everybody's the same. After that, I'm gonna keep going. That didn't fail me at all. Like, not at all. I'm ready to keep. Matter of fact, he made me wanna go more. He make me wanna push more to get to where I wanna be. Like, I appreciate all those obstacles that they're making me face early on, so I can get better at it in the future. So if you're watching that video, probably not. Thank you. I appreciate the lesson you gave me. I will take it. But just know, your karma will come. Karma always come. Always come around. It's like that little circle. And when it come back pretty hard. I know. So yeah. So y'all be careful out there. I'm not gonna take more of your time. I don't wanna make those videos the longest. I want you guys to share with me what you guys think. What if you guys will have handled the situation differently, go ahead and share with me. Let me know what you guys think. And I wanted to ask you guys to, what else do you guys want to see me do as far as video? What do you guys want to see? I know I don't want to keep repeating the same thing over and over, so just let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. I will do my best to make it happen for you. This week was not a great week. I didn't like it at all, but you do what you got to do. I'll give more of a breakdown on expenses and pays and all those different things in a different video, but this week wasn't it, which is fine. I'm okay with it. I was ready for stuff like that, but still frustrating as hell. And the truck wouldn't start. When it get cold out there, it's just so many things went through this week. It wasn't the best week ever, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep making that money. That's what we're in it for, and that's where we're gonna go. So I appreciate all of y'all that watched my video. There was over 1,200 people that watched that last video that I had. Definitely unexpected to me. I was hoping more like 500. So thank you to all of you for watching, and I will do my best to keep putting some good content that you guys like and enjoy watching. So, oh, one thing I want to say, I'm gonna make sure I try to do this in every video. I want to thank every YouTubers out there that's putting this content, because without y'all, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing now. Without y'all, I would be stuck in so many different situations. Without y'all, I wouldn't have the knowledge that I have now on so many different things. If it wasn't for YouTube, my truck that didn't start that morning, I would have been stuck. I didn't know what to do if it wasn't for YouTube. Even me doing those YouTube videos, if it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't know how to do YouTube videos. But I want to thank all of y'all. I want to mention a couple. Ken V with the semi truck, TRF all day, bro. JB Trucking, yep, with the hot shot. That's my boy right there. I've been following you for a long time, bro. I like your content. And then you got Hot Shot Mac. My boy Hot Shot Mac. I'm hoping to meet one of y'all. I'm hoping to come stop in the truck stop and see y'all or something like that. I'm hoping to meet with y'all and share some knowledge. Mostly me getting some knowledge from y'all, because y'all with the knowledge. I'm trying to get some of y'all knowledge and go from there. So I appreciate all of you YouTubers putting this content out there, because I use it. YouTube University is my university, and I go through it every day. So thank you. Keep up the good work, and share and like the video if you like what you see. Thank you.